College is a time for new opportunities and growth, where students will explore boundaries, take risks, and find their community. Your student will make new friends, learn new things, and along the way, they might make some mistakes. They will have freedoms that they never had before.
We are realistic about experiences students may choose to have in college, including experimenting with alcohol and other drugs and adventure-seeking behavior, such as swimming in the gorges. This can be challenging on top of learning how to live with other college students and balancing academic pressures.
Sometimes these decisions lead to interactions with the police or other university staff. The common reaction, stress and anxiety. It will be helpful for you to talk to your student before they engage in risky decision making. Here are some questions you can review with your student.
Has your student ever used alcohol and other drugs before? If they plan to use, how will they be safe? Do they have plans for sober rides or coming home with a friend? We want to make sure students are looking out for one another. One way we do that is through Cornell's Good Samaritan Protocol, where students can seek help for themselves or others in situations where consumption of alcohol and other drugs become unsafe. We encourage students to reach out to campus resources for support. These resources can include Residential Life, Cornell University Police Department, Counseling and Psychological Services, and the Office of the Dean of Students.
Even if your student usually makes responsible decisions, they may still end up being referred to our office, the Office of Student Conduct and Community Standards. We understand this might lead to stress and anxiety for your student, but they shouldn't panic. If they tell you they have to meet with our office, you can ask questions such as, "Are you okay? And how can I best support you?" All mistakes are a learning opportunity. We all have the same goal in mind, your student's success at Cornell.
Your instinct may be to handle the situation for your student, but encouragement and support for your student might mean giving your student a chance to advocate for themselves. The road might be tough or feel uncomfortable to you, but this can be an opportunity for students to learn how to be independent. We know these conversations can be difficult, but they are easier to have before your student arrives to campus.
Welcome to Cornell. Go Big Red!